Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of OOP1 subject. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about package. Also, what are the access specifier? Okay, so let's start with the access specifier. In Java, there are total 4 type of access specifier. They are private, default, protected and public. We all know that we always declare public static void main. So in it our public keyword is access specifier, means from where we can access that method, access that variable, from where we cannot access that variable or method, that will be defined by the access specifier. So there will be 4 access specifier: private, default, protected and public. Okay, so to understand that mechanism, we will first understand the concept of package. So package is nothing but the collection of classes. There can be 2 classes into the same package, there can be 2 classes into the different package. Also one case is there, both classes are into the same package, same folder, but they both class do not have any type of relation. It can also happen that one class can be a superclass and another class can be a subclass. So our total scenario is that they can be into same class and same package, they can be into subclass but same package, they can be into non subclass but same package, they can be into subclass but outside of package, they can be into non subclass and outside of package. Okay, so firstly we will understand the concept of package. Okay, so here we have total 5 classes. A class, so here our public class A, in it we have defined 4 variables. First is private A, its access specifier we have given private. Then default A, we have not given any type of access specifier return type, so it is a default. Here that is protected A, access specifier is protected, and public A, so access specifier is public. After it we have our constructor A, in it we have given value private A 10, default A 20, protected A 30 and public A 50. After it, in our class A we have our show method. If this show method is called, then they will print these 4 variables. Okay, into B, so here you can see class B is extending A, so class B is a subclass and class A is a superclass. Again that is printing these 3 values, because private value cannot be accessed into the anywhere itself. Okay, so here you can say if our private access specifier is there, then we can access it only into the same class of same cabbage. We cannot access any else. Okay, so here we will understand the all the classes. Here our third class is there, and that class C is into package A, but it is not subclass of A, means it is not extending A class. Our D class is available into package 2 and it is extending A. It is into the different package but it's subclass of A. And last final class is E, that is into different package and not extending class A. Okay, so this is the scenario. Now we will have this type of 5 classes and a main method available into PackDemo. In PackDemo we will run one by one all the classes. Okay, so here our a1 show method is there, b1 show method is there, c1 d1 and e1 show method is there. We will print all these one by one. Okay, so first of all, concept for compiling the package classes. So for it we will have to open the command prompt. In command prompt we will have to reach the destination where these all files are available. Okay, so for it command is java c space, then -d for the directory, then dot, and we can run one by one all the classes, and also we can run compile all the classes same time. So for compiling all the classes at same time, we can put star.java. So here you can see, here no package is available into this folder, but if we compile this all the classes, then you can see that into our dictionary, into our directory, two packages are created. In package 1 we have class A, B, C, pack demo 1, and into package 2 we have two classes D and E. So here we can see class D is subclass but outside of package, class E is non-subclass and outside of package. Here in package 1 we can say class B is subclass of A into same package, class C is not subclass of A but it is into a same package. So now you can clearly understand that in this concept we have written all the access specifier. So if we want to access property of the class C and A, so it must be into, here we can say non subclass same package. So if it is default then we can access, if it is protected then we can access, and it is public then we can access. If we have our private variable or method, then we cannot access into non subclass and same package. But if we have properties of subclass, means B class and A class relation, and same package, means this, then if our default protected and public access specifier, then we can access, otherwise we cannot access. Okay, here if we talk about the class D and class E, so class D is subclass of class A and into the different package, so it is subclass but outside of package, so it can be accessible via protected or public access specifier. If any variable or method have private and default access specifier, then we cannot access it. If we talk about class E and class A, so class E is into non subclass and outside of package, so we can not access by private, default and protected access specifier. It is public, then we can access it. Okay, so this is the concept of access specifier, means from which place we can access or not. So here we will run all the concept one by one. Here into class A, all the variables are accessible. Why? Because class A itself into the same package and it have all the variables, so it can access all the variables. If we talk about class B, then class B, it is into the same package and it is a subclass, means this scenario, same package and subclass, so private variables cannot accessible, so private is commented here, all other variables can be accessible. If we talk about class C, then class C concept is non subclass, means C is not extending A but it is into same package, so only private can be not accessible, other default, protected and public can be accessible by the class C. If we talk about class D, then class D scenario is subclass, means class D is extending A, but it is outside of package. So we can only access protected and public. So here private and default are not accessible. If we talk about class E, then class E is in scenario non-subclass as well as outside of package. Class E is not extending A and it is outside of package. So only public can be accessible, other private, default and protected cannot accessible. Okay, so this is it, concept of package and access specifier. So if you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you friends.